Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit Karma's investment tracking tools. So to use these investment tracking tools, all you got to do is just follow these simple steps. And step one is to log into your Credit Karma account, and you can do that on the mobile app or you can do that on the official website. Next, when you're logged in, just click on the investment tab, and then you want to connect your investment accounts to Credit Karma so you can track your investments. Here you can also view your investment portfolios and track your performance and see how well you're doing. And you can also get personalized investment recommendations, to help you make better investments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit Karma's investment tracking tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.